Hello and welcome to Gardening and Allotment Tips, hosted by Gardening with Ben. If you've not checked out my other podcasts, feel free to search for Gardening with Ben on your podcast platform and you'll be able to find my other podcast with over 100 episodes to listen to. So, today in Gardening and Allotment Tips, we're going to be talking about sorting out those seeds. Now is the perfect time to be getting ready for next year, as we won't be doing as much in the allotment and garden at the moment because it's getting too cold to actually be down at the allotment, and obviously the bad weather, the storms which we've been having, the snow, people don't want to be out in that. So you still need to be thinking about all the things that you need to be doing in your garden and allotment for next year. So one thing that I always do is I tend to go through all my packets of seeds and see what I've got growing. And if you don't know already, I purchase 2 magazines every single month called Kitchen Garden and Grow Your Own magazine, and both of them magazines often give you 10 packets of seeds free. Obviously they're not free because you're paying for the magazine, but I like to think they're free, and so I will end up possibly with about 200 packets of seeds every year if you work that out, which is ridiculous. And obviously you get seeds in there which you probably won't grow, and you get seeds in there that you've never even heard of, which tends to be the case. But the best thing about all the 3 packets of seeds is that you will tend to have a go at trying to grow something that you probably wouldn't purchase in the garden centre, because you'll think, oh, I don't want to buy them seeds because I might not like them or I've never heard of them. So if you've got them free in a packet in a magazine, you're going to try and grow them, and that's what I've done in the past. I've tend to grow stuff. I tried growing purple cauliflower, and that was the best cauliflower that I've ever grown, and that was from a packet of seeds in a magazine. And ever since then I've purchased certain seeds because I know they grow better than they do the white ones. So it's a good time to sort out all them seeds. Have a look, sort them out into months of when they need to grow and when they need to be planted, when they need to be sown in the allotment, and if you're going to be growing them or not. If you're not going to be growing the seeds, swap them with somebody. There's plenty of swap groups on Facebook, and you can swap seeds with other people. Or if you've got a neighbour on the allotment, give them the seeds and let them give them a try and see if they grow, and then they might give you some of the produce and you might try it and you might like it. So yeah, swap your seeds. So I always like to do that every year, go through all my seeds and sort them all out. So that's one job that I'm hopefully going to be cracking on with this week. And once I've got all my seeds sorted, I will certainly be sharing a picture of it and showing you all the different varieties of seeds that I've got for growing this year. And hopefully I'll be sharing some tips along the way with you. I'm going to be launching a magazine, hopefully in January, fingers crossed if we get it done on time, of all the jobs, tips about growing seeds and other allotment and garden tips, so watch out for that. Obviously follow my Instagram if you're not following my Instagram, Gardening with Ben. We share lots of tips, hints, videos, and lots of selfies, obviously, on there for you to see. So, thanks for listening to today's episode. I hope you found it useful. These are going to be short little 5-minute episodes of hints and tips to do in the garden and the allotments around the time when you're actually listening to it, hopefully, if you pick it up in time. If not, if you've listened to it in a different month, it may still hopefully be part of what you can do. Obviously now it's December, so hence the reason why I'm saying that you need to be sorting out your seeds and your vegetable packets ready for next year. So yes, I hope you've enjoyed listening to that. Remember to keep smiling, keep gardening, and keep listening to Gardening with Ben. Until next time, see you later.